জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
I told her to throw the flowers away.
Why would Jasmine ask Nayan to discard them? Is it because Jasmine and Nayan spoke to each other after getting out of my room? Still, I feel Nayan must have said something to Jasmine. How could Jasmine come back to the event all composed after that? And why is she not mad at Nayan? What the heck is happening?
What is going on, Jasmine? I think that...
Yes, auntie. Actually, what happened is those flowers were not fresh at all. They were stinging a lot, so I told her to get rid of them.
This is not that simple. I had my suspicions because of Jasmine's expressions. Something must be really wrong.
So shall I go and throw them away?
Yes, go discard them quickly and come back to the event.
To this event? I am not needed at this event. It is Jasmine ma'am's event. Her presence is enough.
Okay, why did father's face get pale? I think he's hiding something. He's not saying that to grandmother or me. No, I'll just go and convey it to aunt. Father has to tell everything if Aunt Pratima asks.
No, the equations are not matching. Jasmine will never ask her to discard the flowers. Nayan must have done something. That is why Jasmine is feeling so uncomfortable in front of her. What did Nayan do with those flowers? I must find out very soon. Oh, I think I forgot to lock my car. Excuse me, I'll just check and come, okay?
No. If I discard all of these flowers, how will I get to know what's special about this scent? I'll have to get these flowers tested by the policeman. He's a cop. He will figure out what's in the flowers scent for sure. I don't have money with me to visit the policeman. How will I go now? If I go back home to ask for money, they'll stop me. No, I should walk to him instead. That's a better idea.
Where is that woman? Hey, Nayan. Where are you going at this time of the night?
I have something urgent to do. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Nayan. Listen, wherever you need to go, I'll take you there, okay? Come, get in the car.
No, you don't have to take the trouble for me. I can manage myself.
I'm sorry, Nayan. I cannot leave you in the middle of the road at this time, okay? Listen, if you don't get in the car, I'll keep driving behind you and I will follow you everywhere.
What is this? Where is Jasmine's brother out here? Is he looking for me? Let's go.
Let's go. Nayan left in the car. But why did she take the flowers along with her? This is it. The flowers are in the trash already. Where did Nayan go?
Come.
Listen
No.
to me.
Why do you keep questioning me? Where are you taking me, Rangna? Why are you taking me, Rangna? You'll stay in my room.
Pratima, I got the chance to meet you just now after returning. How are you?
I'm good, brother. How are you doing? Of late, you are difficult to understand.
Pratima, rituals are being performed downstairs. Come, we'll discuss the rest of the things later.
Don't go anywhere. I won't let you go.
Rangana,
Father, after coming to this house, Father, you, grandmother, and Aunt Pratima have loved me like a daughter. My friend and I never felt like we were the daughters-in-law. You have tolerated all my foolishness. You saved my friend from mother-in-law and her brother. So I'm asking you today, why can't I recognize you anymore? Why do I feel like you're a stranger?
Rangana told me everything, brother. For Deepu, you did choose Jasmine at last. Even if you did so, why are you showing affection to Nayan?
I know you are angry with me at the moment, and I also know that Nayan is in pain because of me. But trust me, whatever I'm doing is for everybody's well-being.
Whose well-being, brother? Apart from Jasmine, whose well-being is ensured here? I feel astonished that without knowing anything, you got impressed with her so much just by seeing her once.
I really don't know if Jasmine is good or bad, Pratima.
Then why did you agree with this marriage? Why are you hurting Nayan despite knowing everything?
I know Nayan is hurting. My heart is also breaking for her. But intentionally, I can't push someone in danger, Pratima. Trust me.
Danger?
Yes, danger. Look, when I started looking for a bride for Deepu, I only thought that Sanjukta will redirect her ire from Nayan and the new girl would be her target. And I started thinking over it again and again. Later I thought that new girl would also might suffer, right? Here, Nayan suspects Vicky to be Deepu's potential enemy. I really don't know about their actual intentions. So I thought the girl which Sanjukta and Vicky like, it's better to agree with their choice. They will not hurt the girl they choose themselves to replace Nayan.
I have to reach the policeman as fast as possible. But nobody should know about this now. What I'm saying is, please, can you drop me off on that road?
What do you mean by on the road? No, listen, Nayan. Wherever you want to go, I'll drop you at the door and wait for you until you return. Then we'll get back home together once you're finished with it.
No, you don't have to take that trouble. Don't worry about me and drop me there.
I'm sorry, that's not possible, Nayan. I cannot leave you on the road at this time of the night, that too alone.
I am telling you, that won't be a problem. You just drop me here.
Please tell me the truth, Nayan. Are you trying to hide something?
Where?
Nayan, shall I say something? The Almighty does not give everybody the art of lying. Actually, the problem is you cannot lie properly. It's evident on your face that you're hiding something from me. Come on, tell me the truth. Where are you going?
I'm going to the policeman.
Policeman means Mr. Tarun. Am I right? What are these flowers for? Is there any ceremony over there?
There was a ceremony. It was Sudha's death anniversary. But I have another reason for the visit.
Another reason? What reason?
What happened? You are laughing, Jeet.
Shouldn't I? Nayan, you can try relying on me and share everything. I think you have forgotten everything, but I haven't. You have saved my life, Nayan. And I can do everything for the person who has saved my life. Besides, you can try sharing everything with me. I might become useful to you too.
Jeet, they are conspiring to murder Dripto.
Again?
What do you mean by again? Again means that there was an attempt on Dripto's life before as well? Do you know that?
Deepu, come join the ritual. There are repeated obstacles. Come, don't keep standing there. Come, sit. Jasmine, sit. Sit. Sir, you can start.
What's wrong? Why are you so tense? Everything will be all right. Don't worry.
Nothing will be here in this room.
Nayan,
Nothing.
what are you doing?
No.
I will decide what is allowed in my room.
No.
What do you mean?
No means I will decide what will be or not be in your room.
Nayan won't make a deal of those flowers for no reason. She might have definitely understood something. But what harm can the flowers cause me? What is happening? I don't understand even a bit. Besides, Nayan still hasn't returned.
Where are you going?
Why is Nayan not coming back? Disposing the flowers don't take such long. I'll just go and check once.
It's a bad omen to leave from the rituals. Come, have a seat.
You could say that verbally too, Jasmine. I don't like being touched while talking at all.
How dare he? He's insulting Jasmine in front of everybody.
He is so annoyed just because I held his hand in public. And when he lifted Nayan in his arms, what about that? That was not touching or what, Tripto Basu?
What happened, Jeet? Why are you not answering to my question? Tell me if you know who wants to harm Dripto. Please tell me. Why are you not speaking at all? Just tell me. All right, you don't have to say. But let me tell you one thing, Jeet. At any cost, I won't let anything harmful happen to Dripto. In any way, I won't let that happen to him. I will save him.
I know that very well, Nayan. I know as long as you are there, you won't let anything happen to Dripto. But I'm scared for another reason.
Scared?
Yes, scared. In order to save Dripto, I don't want you to get hurt.
Hurt? I agreed to give away my husband to someone else. What more can I do to hurt myself, Jeet?
Do you know what it is? I think you are really selfless. No one in this world can be like that. No one. Actually, people like us, we don't hold that courage. And Nayan, the way you are, how come your sister is so different? What's wrong with her? Why can't she think like you? Yes? Nayan, we have reached the policeman's house.
Deepu? Shame on you. Who talks like that? How could you speak to Jasmine like that? Look how she felt bad. Her face has turned pale.
Leave it, Aunt. Let it be. It's okay.
No, why should I leave it? Deepu shouldn't have talked to you like that. The wedding is in a day. In a way, you held your husband's hand. Why did he react like that? Can't a wife hold her husband's hand?
Nayan, you... She can.
See, Dripto has admitted, Sanjukta. Dripto has admitted that the wife can hold her husband's hand. Thus, Jasmine, you should not feel bad at all. You're very unromantic, Dripto. Who tries to avoid that soft grip of a beauty?
Uncle, the definition of beauty is different to me.